Hello, teacher. I'm Alvaro, and I'm going to explain the grammar point of past simple. I did this document because I think it's more easy to explain, and the people can understand this grammar point. So the past simple is used for sentences in which the idea, activity, or state has already been complicated. And the past simple is formed using the verb more id. In addition, there are many verbs with irregular past forms. Questions are made with did, and negative forms are made with did not. For example, the first is affirmative, and the structure form is subject plus verb plus complement. The example is you called Juan. The other is question. Is the verb D plus subject plus verb plus complement and plus the question mark. Example, did you call Juan? And the last is the negative. Is subject plus did not plus verb plus complement. And the example is Joe did not call Juan. Another example in affirmative is you played soccer. And the question is did you play soccer? And negative, you did not play soccer. In the last part of this document, we have the exercise, and there is a 15 exercise, and I do the first and second. For example, the first is I ate dinner at 6 o'clock yesterday, and the second is did Ellen drive to work, and the answer to the person B is yes, she did. And in the other part, you can do the rest of problems. And that's it, and thank you, teacher.